welcome to Fiona's home workout series. Hope you are all consistent with your regular day-to-day workouts because it's very in need of an hour. Here we go for today's workout. First we'll be starting up with the warm-up, which will be of 2 rounds where we'll be doing 100 numbers of skips, 10 numbers of twist and knee raise, 10 numbers of chop the wood. So remember, it's not one round, we are going to do it for 2 rounds for the enough warm-up for the body. Next we will move on to the WOD, interesting WOD today, which is like Tabata. You can have your music system on and get ready for the workout. The first will be the windshield wiper, then the toe touch, and then oblique reaches, and then the swimming, and then rock the boat. So we'll be doing 5 workouts, which will be like 20 seconds and 10 seconds break. So 4 minutes each of the workout. Okay, are you all ready? Sarah will be explaining all the workouts. Try to follow every day. There you go. First we'll start with the warm-up. 100 skips. If you don't have skipping ropes at home, you can have your hands as a tool. Keep tapping on the side of your thighs and keep jumping. So it will be counted as 1 skip. Okay? Keep doing it for 100 numbers. Then we move on to twist and knee raise. Bend your hands, take your right elbow to the left knees. As you could see, alternatively, keep your upper body straight. The torso you should not turn. Keep doing it. It will be a good warm-up. And then the third warm-up, which is like chop the wood. In the garden, just imagine into the trees, into the forest, you're chopping the wood without the tool. Okay, only the hands as a tool. Bend down and chop it with full force as if you're chopping the wood. We'll be repeating it 10 times on either side. Bend down and reach, bend down and reach. Okay, we have to repeat all these 100 skips, 10 twist and knee raise and 10 chop the wood for 2 rounds. And then we move on to WOD. The first workout, windshield wiper. So everybody has a card, so you know what is windshield, and our legs will be the wiper. Stick your upper body to the ground, only the legs raised up high and wipe it. For the beginners, you can keep your knees bent. Keep doing it. 20 seconds and then 10 seconds rest. Do it for 4 minutes. And then we move on to the next workout, which is toe touch. Have your legs raised up to the ceiling. Don't bring it down. Stay there. Raise your hands and try to touch your toes. The beginners can bend your knees and try to reach out to your foot. Keep doing it. 20 seconds and then 10 seconds rest. Repeat it for 8 times. And then the oblique reaches. Bend your knees, foot down, reach to the side. This is for your obliques. Reach to your side. As high as possible. Reach totally. The beginners try to reach to the heel. Okay, slightly twist your upper body. Try to reach to your heel. The advanced can reach out to your toes. Next will be swimming. Face down. We are going to swim without water. Okay, you can do any style. On the side, you can have your hands in the front, or on the side you can do breaststroke or freestyle, whatever swimming you want, you can do it. Okay, just ensure your hands and legs in the air, and then rock the boat. Okay, your upper body and the lower body should be up and keep rocking. Only the hip onto the ground, only the butt on the ground. Keep your core tight. Focus on your core. Keep breathing and keep rocking. Rock the boat. So we are going to repeat all these workouts for 4 minutes each. There ends the Tabata and then the cool down. The first cool down stretch, face down. The best stretch for your back, Cobra. Have your hands close to your chest, raise up and look up. Your hip belt should be on the ground. Hold on to 10 to 15 seconds and then change. Keep your leg diagonal and straight, the other leg bent. Try to reach the toes by bending on the side. Yeah, keep changing the other side. Reach to your toes, take the other hand closer to your elbows and then feel the stretch on the sides. Straight sitting, sit straight with your knees straight. Reach out to your toes. Ensure not to bend your knees. Hold on for 10 to 15 seconds. Yeah, we are done for the workout for today. Tabata is done. So ensure you do the warm up, workout and then the cool down. Stay fit and active. Thank you.